Hello everyone, I am Akshay Dey from grade VII Compassion. During this summer vacation, I tried to improve my favorite sports, which is cricket. I tried to improve my batting and fielding. So here are the clips which are edited by myself. ঠিক আছে বাউন্স আসছিল আউট
Everyone, I am Subhrodeep Nandi. In my summer vacation, I learned cricket and cricketing shots. I practice them daily. I like to grab my bat. I learned them by practicing and batting in the nets.